Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my dear students of grade 6? I hope you will be fine. Today I am going to revise the most important articles and items from your curriculum as you are going to appear in your English grammar examination very soon. So these important items or contents I have selected from the pages 32, 35, 36, 37, 40, 42 and 45. You are going to choose true if the sentence is correct, choose false if the sentence has a mistake. Chefs need knives when they prepare most dishes. This sentence is false because of knives. K-N-I-F-E, knife is a singular noun. The plural is knives, K-N-I-V-E-S. Since the plural K-N-I-F-E-S has been spelled wrongly, so you will choose false here. Number 2. The children wore scarves and coats. This sentence is true. There is no mistake. He wrote stories about elves and fairies. This is a true sentence. The plural of thief is thieves. T-H-I-E-V-E-S. Please choose the correct spelling for the plural thieves. T-H-I-E-V-E-S. The plural of shelf is shelves. Wrong. This is a mistake. Shelf is a singular noun. Shelves is a plural noun. S-H-E-L-V-E-S. Number 6. We walk through hills and valleys on our vacation. This is a true sentence. There is no mistake. Number 7. We used a map to find the cities we wanted to visit. The plural cities has not been spelled properly. That's why it is a false sentence. The real spelling is C-I-T-I-E-S. Number 8. In one city we ate lunch on wooden benches in a park. This is a true sentence. There is no mistake. Choose a collective noun out of the four nouns here. Elephants, herd, zebras, horses. The collective noun is herd, H-E-R-D. Again, you will choose a collective noun from players, match, team and coach. The collective noun is team. If selves is a plural, the singular will be self, S-C-L-F. The plural of dare is dare, D-E-E-R. The word dare, D-E-E-R, can be used both as singular and plural. We can say that plural of goose is goose? No. The plural of goose is geese, G-E-E-S-E. The marching band performed for the excited children. The plural noun children has not been spelled properly, so you will choose false here. The real spelling for the word children is C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. The team of oxen pulled the heavy plow. This is a true sentence. There is no mistake. The possessive noun for ostriches is O-S-T-R-I-C-H-E-S. The word ostriches is a regular plural, so there will be only apostrophe at the end of the plural. The possessive noun for men is mens, M-E-N apostrophe S. The possessive noun for loins is loins, L-I-O-N-S apostrophe. For the group of words, the hands of the builder, the correct answer will be the builder's hands. For the group of words, the decisions of the man, the correct answer is the man's decisions. The plural of tooth is teeth. Yes, it is a true sentence. And the last question from this task. Cows and their calves grazed on one hill. This is a false sentence. The plural of calf is calves, C-A-L-V-E-S. Here is another task we are going to revise from pages 58, 61, 62 and 71. Question number 1. Rezi carries equipment from the gym. This is a true sentence. There is no mistake at all. Number 2. Shoulder pads and helmets protects the players. This is a false sentence. If the sentence has a plural subject, there will be no addition of S or ES with the verb. So that's why we have declared it a false sentence. Number 3. The players and coaches meets on the fields. This is a false sentence. There should have been only meat, not meats. Number 4, I have never saw such a great show. This is a false sentence. Actually, this is a sentence from present perfect tense. In the sentences of present perfect tense, if the subject is I, you will use the helping verb have. Okay, that's nice. What about the verb? There should be past participle verb. The past participle verb of see is seen, not saw. That's why it is false. Number 5, her mom blew Sylvia a kiss from the audience. It is a true sentence. There is no mistake. Number 6, the sound of applause broke the silence of the theater. This is a true sentence. Number 7, the dad threw a rose onto the stage. The verb throw is a present status. Okay, so actually this should have been threw in the past status. That's why it is false here. Number 8, the verb knew is past verb. The verb knew, K-N-E-W, is past verb. The verb ringing is present participle. Choose a correct spelling for beginning, B-E-G-I-N-N-I-N-G. If sink is present verb, then sunk is past? No. Sunk is past participle, not only past. Number 12. If begin is a present verb, then what is past participle? Begun, B-E-G-U-N. Number 13. The expression will be leaving is about future progressive? Yes. The expression will be studying is about present tense, present progressive, future or future progressive. The expression will be studying is about future progressive. Number 15. The expression have talked is about present perfect, present, present progressive or past perfect. The expression have talked is about present perfect. Number 16. The expression had remained is about past progressive, past perfect, present perfect or present progressive. The expression had remained is about past perfect. The expression am sleeping is about present progressive. The autumn leaves will change colors. This is our question number 18. The autumn leaves will change colors. In this sentence, the verb phrase is will change. These two words, will change, will constitute the verb phrase in this sentence. The farmers have hoped for the rain. In this sentence, the verb phrase is have hoped. And the last question, the harvest season is approaching. In this sentence, the verb phrase is approaching. My dear students, in order to score 100% marks for your English grammar examination, you are advised to study all the pages what I have mentioned in the portion coverage. You can check the announcement and your past lessons for a thorough study of your lessons. I hope you will do very well in the examination. All the best wishes and have a nice time ahead.